Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce heavy cream. Start by melting butter in a skillet. Gently sout, pour in heavy cream and simmer on low. Whisk in grated Parmesan a handful at a time until smooth, season to taste with salt and pepper, and finish with a small pinch of nutmeg for warmth. When making a creamy Alfredo, low heat is the key to a velvety texture. Cook slowly and whisk constantly. Add cheese gradually so it melts into the cream without seizing. Use reserved pasta water to adjust consistency and maintain silkiness. Taste and season in small increments, and remember that the sauce will thicken slightly as it cools, so aim for a slightly looser finish on the stove. If you, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Grab leak-proof meal prep containers to store your leftover Alfredo without mess. They save time and prevent spills in your fridge or bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve Alfredo sauce tossed with freshly cooked pasta right after combining so every strand is coated. Add a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of parsley to brighten the rich flavors. Keep extra pasta water handy to loosen the sauce if needed. Plate quickly and serve warm because the sauce will firm up as it cools, and reheating can change its texture if not done gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.